A manual call point, also known as a break glass unit or break glass alarm, is a vital component of fire safety systems. It allows individuals to manually activate notification systems during emergencies by triggering the alarm system. Manual call points are often placed near exits or escape routes for easy access. They are often mandatory in the design of new high-risk buildings such as health and residential aged care, and buildings with large atriums and smoke detection systems. They come in various designs, including breakable glass elements or push buttons, and may have additional features like built-in visual LED indicators. Newer manual call points work by pressing on the center of the glass or plastic sleeve until a click can be heard. The glass sleeve needs to be replaced after each activation, and the plastic sleeves are reusable and resettable via a key. There are two main types of manual call points: conventional and addressable call points. Conventional call points are used in small to medium-sized systems, while addressable ones in larger systems offer advanced features like precise location identification. Manual call points are essential as they provide a means for immediate human awareness and response, rather than relying on automated systems in isolation. This improves the speed of response during emergencies. In Australia, the requirements for manual call points are determined by the National Construction Code or Building Code of Australia. Depending on the version of code that applies to the building, requirements for manual call points design and performance can include compliance with standards such as ISO 7240.11 2018. Proper installation and maintenance procedures are also crucial to ensure the reliability of manual call points. Regular testing and inspection are also necessary to verify functionality and address any issues promptly. Key tips for using manual call points effectively include designing their placement in accessible locations, designing the placement to avoid confusion with other devices, such as emergency door release mechanisms, and familiarizing building occupants with their usage through occupant awareness training. Overall, manual call points are vital for effective fire safety, and their proper installation, maintenance, and usage are essential for maximizing their effectiveness in protecting lives and property.